everyone. Good skin reflects good health. So that is why you need to take better care of your skin. But there are some myths about skincare that you may have heard of. Today we are going to look at some of the myths for skincare. Today we are going to go into the details of the myths which people have for skincare. Hi, this is Aparajita and I'm back with this informative video on skincare. Those who follow me and have subscribed to my channel know me. I'm an esthetician, a salon owner of Ayurveda and holistic wellness expert, a fashionista, and a yogi. And I'm also learning how to master self-defense. So that's all about me. And the more you follow me and watch my videos, you will know more about me. So let's start today's informative video without further delay. So the first myth which we are going to debunk today is the first myth is that only dry skin needs moisturizer. You must understand that moisturizer is required for all skin types, whether it's oily skin, dry skin, normal skin, sensitive skin, or any skin type. हर तरह के स्किन को मॉइस्चराइजर चाहिए. आपका स्किन अगर ऑयली है तो आपको लाइट वेट यूज करना चाहिए. अगर ड्राई स्किन है आपको हैवी मॉइस्चराइजर यूज करना चाहिए. टू मेंटेन हेल्दी स्किन यू नीड मॉइस्चराइजर. Myth number 2, scrubbing vigorously to remove blackheads and whiteheads. Scrubbing the skin can actually cause tears in your skin and injure your skin. It will not banish them completely. These are basically clogged pores which need a more systematic approach. You have to approach a dermatologist or a salon where there are experts who can handle your issue. Myth number 3, acne is caused due to very poor hygiene. No, it's a common myth. Acne is caused due to hormonal changes in the body and your eating habits to a certain extent. Genetics is also involved. Excess sebum production leads to acne. If you do a regular cleansing, then it can help. Stay away from harsh cleansing products which can disrupt the skin's pH balance. Myth 4, skincare products cannot reverse aging. The aging process is very natural. Some treatments like laser, Ayurveda, Panchakarma, and yoga as well can control and help manage aging. बुढ़ापे को रोक सकती है कुछ हद तक, but not completely. It can offer protection. You need to have good sleeping patterns if you want to maintain a fresh looking skin. Myth 5, more products you buy, the better your skin is. Some people believe that if you use lots of skincare products, your skin will thrive. But that is not going to happen. The skin will be harmed more than good. A simple and natural skincare regimen with yoga thrown in, which can target your specific concerns, is required. Myth number 6, exfoliation should be done daily. No, exfoliation should not be done daily. Twice or thrice is enough. If you do it daily, it can be damaging for the skin if you exfoliate the skin daily, as it removes the skin's natural barrier. आपके स्किन टाइप के अनुसार आप एक्सफोलिएट कीजिए. मिथ नंबर 7, all skin types need the same products. That is completely wrong notion. What works for one may not work for the other. It is important to select the right products to suit your individual skin types. Skincare is always personalized. Not only it's about dry skin, normal skin, oily skin, sensitive skin, but there will be further combinations and you have to do a trial somehow as a patch test in your hand or on your neck or below the jaw before using. A healthy lifestyle is the best thing and a good food habit is what can do the best for your skin. Myth number 8, turmeric can help in skin lightening. Now, if we go according to Ayurveda, there are 3 complexions. In Ayurveda, Fairness is not the only value that is looked into. According to the acharyas, there are three desired shades: Gaura, Shama, and Krishna. Gaura means extremely fair, Shama means medium, and Krishna means dark. So, the whole concept of using a herb like turmeric is to brighten the skin and to bring a glow. It cannot change the color of the skin. If any sort of tanning occurs in any of these three skin shades, then turmeric is definitely going to help lighten it. The next myth: fragrances in skincare products do not harm. That is a myth. Fragrances are composed of more than 300 chemicals, and which also contain very additives, many fixatives, so that the fragrance stays there in the product for a longer time. And if you go for natural fragrances, they have their own challenges. They do not stay for a long time, and they also degrade if exposed to sunlight and also change color. So that is also harmful in another manner. Like, it's not harmful to us, but it may damage the clothes that we are wearing. So you should always go for fragrance free products. You should always go for fragrance free products or something that has a very mild fragrance. The composition of the product that you are using is most important. Moreover, fragrances can also trigger respiratory problems. Myth number 9: too much of washing is good. It helps in cleansing the skin of dirt and accumulated debris. The fact is, too much washing can strip the skin of its natural oils and the epidermal layer also. Ayurveda tells way you use water to wash the face can be dependent on various conditions. Like, if the water is cold, it will have one reaction. If the water is warm, it will have another reaction. And if it's a normal temperature water, then it will have another reaction. So you need to understand that, like, cold water has like tightening properties. If you have oily skin and lots of sebum is comes lots of sebum comes out of the pores, then you can use cold water. If you have dry skin, then you should use a bit of warm, lukewarm water, not exactly very warm but lukewarm water, so it will activate the glands a bit, that some oil secretion can happen. So these are the things that you need to keep in mind while washing your face, right? Myth number 10: you don't require a sunscreen when you're inside the house. That's a myth. The fact is, you require sunscreen all the time when you're exposed to any kind of radiation, light, you're working in front of a tube light, you're working in the heat in the kitchen, or normally when you go out. So that's already understood, right? So using a sunscreen is actually very essential, and it should contain at least SPF 30 to 50. So that's what it is all about today. I have busted 10 skincare myths. So look forward to my channel, share, subscribe, like, and I'll bring up more such informative videos on myths around hair and physical fitness, fashion, and much more. So that's all for today.